Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of these meal prep containers. You can get them in different sizes on Amazon, and they are extra thick food storage containers with lids. They're reusable, they're BPA free, and has really important, has number 5 plastic. We're going to show you on the back of them. They're totally stackable, microwave, dishwasher, freezer safe. It's like the kind of container you get when you pick up Chinese food, but these are one notch higher in quality so that you can reuse them. So these are great if you want to make your meals for a whole week ahead of time and you want to freeze them or keep them in your fridge. This is a healthy alternative to going to restaurants, or if you have leftovers at a restaurant or even Chinese food leftovers, you can use them. They're excellent for that. I'm going to open these up and we're going to take a look what they look like. So here they are out of the plastic wrap, and you see you've got the cover, and they're very flexible, just like you'd expect, and that's what keeps them from cracking. See right on here it says microwave oven safe. Also, if you look on here, there is a recycle symbol. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it is number 5 on there, and that's really important. That's the safest polypropylene. Let's take a look at the bottom right here. And again, there's multiple sizes available. Let's take this one out. And on the bottom of this container, let's find that also. There is a number 5 right there. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. And that's, again, really important. That's the highest quality polypropylene you could get. Now let's just take a look at the fit on here. So let's just get one of these first. Let's take out one right here. Let's look at the fit. It closes down on there, and you hear like a little clicking sound, and that's it. It's on there, and you can put water in here, liquid. It won't spill out. This is amazing how simple the seal is. Then when you're ready to use them, you just open it up from the corner, and you hear that snapping sound. That's letting you know that it was sealed. So looking at the size, you can see how much you could fit in there for this given size. And again, they come in all different sizes. This is the smaller one's a 24 ounce and the larger one is a 32 ounce. And there's some in between on Amazon. But they're really a good value. You can't go wrong. You're getting a lot here. These are going to last a long time. I've had some that lasted me 3 years with using them, you know, daily. So it's a great value, and it saves the environment because you're not, you know, putting plastic in a landfill. And when they're finally finished, number 5 plastic is totally recyclable. That's what's cool about it. So if one breaks or fades and you want to get rid of it, recycle it. So what do I think about these containers? I really like them. I've been using them for years. I want to give this product full 5-star rating. I hope this video helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.